Is your factory still using traditional human transportation? It's time to get rid of this traditional method. Shuangqing Technology FT50OL Intelligent Factory Transfer Robot. Reshape industrial transportation with wisdom and strength. Bid farewell to tradition, embrace efficiency. In the era of smart technology, factory transfer robots have become particularly important. Shuangqing Technology's self-developed factory transfer robots ensure zero errors in cargo transportation. Intelligent navigation easily cope with complex environments, ensuring a safe and reliable transportation process. Supports a maximum load of 80 kilograms, a building area of over 40,000 square meters, and supports on-demand connection with MS and ERB, supporting one item. Ask the robot to cooperate with the RCS system for intelligent calculation scheduling. Idle robots. Multi-machine collaboration still completes tasks efficiently, and the simple operation interface makes it barrier-free for factory staff to use, using dual-engine technology. FTR50OL Factory Transfer Robot. Bid farewell to tradition, embrace efficiency.
Shuangqing Technology supports customized robots on demand, providing one-stop service to robot solution experts.